In this short film, we would like to share some important information about your classes. At the beginning of your course, you will receive 2 things from your tutor to help you plan your learning. The first one will be a scheme of work. This will show you what you will be doing from lesson to lesson throughout the year. It will be especially useful to you if you have to miss lessons, so that you can see which units you have missed. Second of all, in order to succeed in learning Welsh, it's important to practice your Welsh outside of the classroom. Therefore, the tutor will share ideas with you about how you can practice and enjoy using your Welsh. This can include lots of different things: informal learning activities, listening to the radio, watching S4C, and so on. Look out for our monthly diary, which is full of ideas. We're able to offer additional support to learners who may benefit from extra help in the classroom, whether online or face-to-face. We also support our tutors in developing inclusive teaching strategies. When you register or you start your course, if you have any additional needs, please let us know so we can ensure that you have the best learning experience possible with us. As you work through the course, you have the opportunity to complete homework at the end of every unit. These are simple tasks which allow you to revise what you have learned in your lessons and to ensure that you've understood the work. Then, giving the homework to your tutor to mark is important so that your tutor can monitor your progress and can offer you a helping hand when needed. Although it's important that you attend as many classes as you possibly can, please don't be discouraged if you need to miss some lessons. There are lots of great resources to help you catch up, and your tutors will always be there to give you a helping hand. Also, you're very welcome to transfer to another course. Maybe you feel that the pace of your course isn't right for you, or you think a different time of day would be more suitable. If so, please feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help you find a course that suits you better. It's possible that someone will come into the class from time to time to observe the tutor teaching. The visits are not to observe the learners. However, managers, verifiers and inspectors will look at how well you are progressing, and the managers and inspectors will speak to you as a class for approximately 15 minutes of the lesson. We would like to ask you in advance for your cooperation with regards to this. The process guarantees quality assurance and continuing improvement, so your cooperation is much appreciated. Diolch yn fawr for watching. You're very welcome to contact us if you have any questions at all. Hwyl am y tro!